How to make an origami fortune teller. All you need is a piece of paper and scissors. You want to take one of the corners and fold it up to the opposite side to form a triangle, and then crease it. After you do that, you're going to cut off that top piece. Once that's done, you're going to want to unfold the triangle to form a square and fold the opposite side. And then crease it. After you do that, you're going to take each one of the points and fold it into the middle center. You're going to do that for all 4 points. Once you do that, you're going to flip it over and do the same with those points. Fold them into the center and crease. Once that is done, you're going to fold it in half. Unfold it and fold it in half in the other direction. After doing that, you're going to put your thumb and your pointer finger in between the flaps, pinching onto the middle part of the paper, and then fold in. You can color them, put numbers in them, put fortunes, make it your own.